Everybody enjoys making chopped salads, and with the salad chopper, it's the easiest possible way of putting a great salad on the table. This kitchen tool will not cut your hands. It won't damage the cutting board or any bowl. It's a great kitchen tool for salad making and healthy living. What really made me realize how good this tool was that it can really get through just about anything. And we all love celery in our salads. And it's a great scooper. Goes right in, easy to do. You can really put everything together. You can roll it if you don't want to chop down. So there's other ways of doing this. It's not just a chopper. You can actually just roll it, which is easy to do. Again, safe, really won't cut yourself, won't cut the bowl. And chopped salads are in right now because you can just put just about anything you want. So we're making a nice chopped salad with beautiful spring vegetables. And this is our salad chopper. Easy to do, it won't damage the bowl, it's dishwasher safe.